Show you how to make your own glitter pop-up card in under an hour. This is a really simple DIY project and can be given as a gift or used for any occasion. I'll show you everything you need and then it's just a matter of assembling the pieces together. The first thing you've got to do is cut out some circles. I've prepared this paper and I've painted both sides because you'll see both sides of the circle. If you don't have a circle cutter, you could also just trace some out and cut them out. You'll need 7 circles. Now it's time to decorate these circles with some Derivan Kindy Glitz, Australia's most famous glitter glue. Now we're going to start assembling the card. So the first thing you'll need is a strip of black paper. Grab one of your circles and glue it to the end of the card. Draw in 7 lines a centimetre apart. And now you want to put a fold on each of those lines. Use a ruler to help you do this. Glue each circle onto the folds. Have the top of the circle meet the fold line. Once the circles are adhered, turn the strip over and you want to glue another piece of that painted paper to the back. Fold the extra piece underneath and you've created your pop-up. Now we're going to attach it to the inside of the card. I'm just going to write pull here. I've decorated the rest of the card with other pieces of circle and Kindy Glitz. I have these perfect size black shapes to put inside and I've written "Hope your birthday pops." I'm gluing these to the underside of the circles so that when we pull it there's a message. Now look at that. Hope your birthday pops. And now you have the most perfect birthday card to give as a gift.